guys, we are in Portugal, Madeira with Roy, and we're gonna attempt to climb down the biggest waterfall that we have on the island. So yeah, let's go.
If you want to help someone to pull out of some situation, grab wrist to wrist and then pull the person like this.
Okay. Excited, Roy?
I'm excited.
Say something to the fans.
I'm nervous.
Dude,
No, I'm gonna nail this one. I'm gonna nail all of it.
Of course you will.
you're gonna kill it. I mean, don't kill anyone, alright?
No,
Like.
I'm gonna nail it.
Bye, Roy. Have fun. Good luck. You're a rock star. Enjoy.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do it without the rope, man?
Yeah.
Let's go, guys. Oh fuck! Imagine jumping from here. That would be world record.
The highest jump, I think it's
50 something, 57. We would break the world record, and the legs, and the face, and the body. Whoa! Isn't that dope? Woo, woo, woo. Look at that! Dope. Guys, it's epic. Alright guys, so this is the end. We are at the sea. You can see it was epic, it was amazing. Yeah, it's well worth it.